Have a nice day, sir. I am Ana May Necesario, the leader of the group named Solution Finder. And this is our presentation for the activity number 4 entitled Birds on Frenzy. In question number 1, your neighbor told you that it's important not to fill the feeder too often or to fill the feeder too seldom. So how can you determine how often to fill? So our answer is we can determine how often to fill the bird feeder by observing the number of birds that eat at the bird feeder and the time that the bird feeder will be empty. And in number 2, when you go over first thing in the morning, the bird feeder, which has 4 holes, one pair near the bottom and another pair about halfway up, is nearly full. You check back 45 minutes later and it's about half full. When do you expect it to empty again? So we expect to empty it again after 45 minutes. In number 3, you come back 45 minutes later and it's still not nearly empty. Why is that? The birds are still coming by consistently to eat, so they still are hungry. When should you expect the bird feeder to be nearly empty and ready for you to fill it again? So again, we expect the bird feeder to be nearly empty and ready to fill it again after 15 minutes. Number 4, describe a method for calculating when the bird feeder should be empty. Use mathematical notation if you can. So we can't. So when the time and the number of birds increases, the feeds decreases. That's our method for calculating the bird feeder because we conclude that when the time and the number of birds increases, the feeds decreases. So in that way, we can identify when the bird feeder should be empty. For the next questions, the situation is you did so well taking care of your neighbor's bird feeder that she recommended you for a weekend job watching over one of her colleagues' bird feeders. This bird feeder has six feeding holes with pairs equally spaced as shown in this picture. For question number 5, the first morning you get there, you notice that the bird feeder is about 2/3 full. You wait a while and notice that it takes about 30 minutes before the feeder is about 1/3 full. How long it will take before you need to refill the feeder? How long will it take for the feeder to need to be refilled after that? So we expect that it will take 30 minutes to refill the bird feeder and it will take 1 hour to be refilled after that. Number 6, build a mock bird feeder like the one above to test your answers from question 5 above. Use a clear cylindrical container as the bird feeder and rice as the food. How well did your mathematical model agree with your physical model? And our answer is our mathematical model did not agree with our physical model because there's no bird na kumain sa aming ginawang physical model. For number 7, write a mathematical description of how to determine how quickly the bird feeder will be empty. So our answer is when the time and the number of birds increases, the bird feeder will quickly empty. Number 8, how can you generalize this description above? Are your answers from questions 4 and 7 similar? Our answer is yes. Our answer in question number 4 and 7 are similar because the time that the bird feeder to be empty is inversely proportional to the feeds. Number 9, you and 3 of your friends are making crafts for a charity sale. All of you work on Saturday and make 180 in all. On Sunday, only two of you can work. How many can you expect to have ready for the sale on Monday morning? So our answer is we expect to have 270 crops ready for the sale on Monday. We based our answer in the given above. So 180, we divided 180 in 4, which works on Saturday. So 180 divided by 4 is 45. So each of us make 45 pieces of crafts on Saturday. So only 2 work on Sunday. So we expect that those 2 of us can finish a total of 90 crafts. So we add the 90 crafts and 180, so we come up to the total of 270 crafts. So we expect to have 270 crafts ready for the sale on Monday. Number 10, for question number 10, there is another charity sale on Saturday. You will make a new type of crafts this time. You plan your schedules so that on Monday, 5 of you work, 4 work on Tuesday, 3 work on Wednesday, 2 work on Thursday, and only you make the new craft on Friday. There are 360 crafts done by the end of Tuesday. How many crafts do you expect will be done for the sale? So we expect 600 crafts will be done for the sale. And we get our answer, which is 600 crafts, by basing at the given in the problem or in the question. So 5 work on Monday and 4 on Tuesday, and 360 crafts done by the end of Tuesday. So we divided 360 by 9, which 9 is from 5 and 4 who works on Monday and Tuesday. So 5 plus 4 equals to 9. So 360 divided by 9 is equals to 40. So we expected that each of them finished 40 crafts each day. So on Monday, 200 crafts were finished or was made. Then on Tuesday, 160, because 4 times 40 is equals to 160. Then 3 on Wednesday, 3 times 40 is 120. Then on Thursday is 2, so 40 times 2 is 80. And on Friday, it's only 1 or only me work on Friday, so 40. So we add all. So 200 plus 160 plus 120 plus 80 plus 40. So it was a total of 600. So we expect 600 crafts will be done for the sale. For question number 11, describe using words and mathematical notation how you obtain those answers or your answers. So we obtain our answer by dividing the number of crafts to the number of workers, and we sum up all the finished product for all the days they have worked, like we do in question number 10. For question number 12, are the bird feeder problems related to the craft problems? If so, describe the relationship. Is the mathematics involved similar? Why or why not? We think that yes, the bird feeder problems related to the craft problem because there is relationship in both problems. In bird feeder, the relationship is inverse, while in craft problem, the relationship is direct. The mathematics involved is similar, and that is variation. For question number 13, you are starting a weekend landscaping business. After the first day, You only finished 25% of the weekend's work. How many friends do you need to hire for tomorrow to help you make sure all the work gets done on time? Our answer is there are 2 friends are needed to hire to make sure all the work gets done on time. We get this by 100% minus 25 done on the first day, so 75 left. So minus 25 again for myself, so 50. So we conclude that 25% will be the work done each person. So we need 2 friends. So our answer is 2 friends are needed to hire to make sure all the work gets done on time. For question number 14, how is question 13 above similar to the bird feeder and craft problems? How is it different? What mathematical ideas, if any, are similar? Did you use similar methods? So they are similar in a way that we use variation to solve the problem. Question number 15, what other types of problems used methods similar to those used above? Make up and solve a problem that uses those methods. So other types of problems is work problem. Our example is, or we make Lairani work as a tutor. She was paid 50 pesos per hour. If she worked 4 hours a day, how much will she earn in 1 week? So our solution is 4 times 7 is equals to 28, and we multiply 28 by 50 is equals to 1,400. So we let x be the number of working hours and y paid per hour and I for income. So we have income is equals to the number of working hours times paid per hour. So I is equals to x times y. So I, or income, is equals to x is 28 and y is 50. So 28 times 50 is equals to 1,400. Therefore, Lairani earns a total amount of 1,400 pesos in a week. So, and again, we use variation in this problem. For question number 16, what are the types of units used in the problems above? If you know the unit needed in the answer of a problem, can that help you determine how to solve it? Explain. The types of units used in the problems above are the crafts, pesos, and minutes. And yes, it can help us if we know the units needed because you will be guided in solving the problem. And that's all. Thank you and God bless us all.